There was once a country in the heart of Europe, which was home to more than a dozen peoples who had settled between the plains of Eastern European Galicia and the coasts of the Adriatic. From the extensive plains of Hungary and forested slopes of the Carpathian Mountains to the most remote valleys of the Alps. Germans, Hungarians, Czechs, Poles, Croats and Serbs, Ruthenians, Slovaks, Italians and numerous minorities. Together, they formed this unique multi-ethnic state which had grown up over centuries. The Habsburg Austro-Hungarian dual monarchy. The widely separated crownlands and provinces were connected by an extensive railway network, sections of whose tracks are still in use today.
Liverpool, Manchester, 1830.
Along comes this man and essentially designs a master plan, an all-encompassing network connecting all of the important locations within the monarchy.
And suddenly, a gigantic project from Brode via Lviv and Vienna to Trieste. Back then, no one could imagine it being realized.
And Franz Xaver Riepel thought about how it might happen.
At the same time, there was the inestimable Ritter von Giger, a man who demonstrated incredible courage and built a railway for which there were, as yet, no suitable locomotives. They were invented just in time. During his design of the railway route, Giger used as a reference point a mountain line that had already been opened in 1828 in America. The Baltimore and Ohio Railroad had to negotiate a mountain range that was much smaller than the Semmering, but bore some similarities. The Semmering Railway became the first real large-scale application of this construction technique in the Alps. And these mountain railways, based on the Semmering prototype, were now realized not only within the monarchy area, but also all over the world.
With its 16 viaducts, 15 tunnels and 100 stone arch bridges, the Semmering Railway was actually the first rail section in the world to be awarded World Cultural Heritage status by UNESCO.